Sunset Beach is happening. You know, we've got sort of 6 to 8 foot swell and the sun's out and, you know, some chunky conditions. It never is easy out Sunset, so it's a game of catching the right wave and then still being radical enough to get a good score.
You can't really be looking for like a 9-point wave the whole time. You just kind of got to surf every wave you get as good as you can and try to make the most out of it, really. Not here because I have nothing to do, you know, I want to win this contest. And winning in Hawaii is pretty much the best feeling in the world to me, so I'd love to do it again here at Sunset.
Feeling quite comfortable out there. I like the bigger stuff and big carves and big turns, so yeah, I'm really comfortable over here.